morning, day traders. This is Mike with Ripper Day Trading. Day trading live this morning, and I don't see a whole lot of yappers this morning that are gapping down that look worth a shit. I'm short. Looking for the breakdown here. Come on, more down. I got half here. Took another half. I'm gonna see if this thing can just die now. Oh shit. I can put the stop at 30, but let's see what else is going on while that's doing its thing. See if it can break through 21 and die. For real. Yeah, that's one I wanted to kind of get in long on. I hadn't gone long on anything in a long time. See if that thing's going to break through 21 and pay us. Nope. Come on, Cisco, go. We want to bust through this green line right here. Finally went long on something, guys. Gonna take a quick little profit on it too. Bust through it and go. Alright, we're out. Alright, probably done, but I shorted it. Looking for a bounce off this 21 straight down. What am I in it? I'm in it 15. I should be down $5, yep. Now I'm down more. I'm looking right here at this 25 here. Oh shit, that was stupid. Right here. It's on that pivot line. Only down 20 at the moment. This is so scary because this really is a moment where buyers could jump in and rocket this thing. We just need it to fail through 23 real quick and we will be loving life. I'm about to be taken out. Come on, bitch, die. We just need to get through 23.30 again. God damn it. Oh well. That's what happens when you jump in like an idiot on things you shouldn't. This is one we were waiting for anyway, so let's see if we can get it back real quick. Just taking too long to get through. Like I said, I'm about to This thing's gonna piss me off. Come on. Get through that. Right here. Get through 70 hard. I'm taking some because it's taking too long. Oh shit, that's not what I meant to do. There we go. As soon as I do it, yeah, I was gonna say, as soon as I do it though, it'll go. Man, I wish I'd have stayed in this one a little bit longer with all my shares. That's what we were looking for. I think I'm gonna just slowly ratchet this down and get out of this as it's dying. Alright, I'll be out in a second. 1 second. Just give me 1 second, please. Alright guys, I am out. That was a good trade. Made up for my shittiness there, and so keep me green on the day. My kid's bus didn't come, so I gotta go take her to school. So I will see you guys. I won't be able to trade tomorrow, so it'll be Monday morning. Hope you guys have a great week.